Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, hello, hi, my name is Destiny and thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. So as you can see from the title, I'm going to be dyeing my hair back to black. I don't know if it's picking up on the camera, but like my ends are like a sort of brown, reddish brownish color. I've had this color, or I dyed my hair, I think when I was like maybe like 8 months ago. I'm almost a year, so I think between 8 to 9 months ago I decided to dye my ends, and yeah, I've had them in for quite some time now, but I feel like I want to go back to black. Black is easier, it makes it look, you know, more clean. Not to say that brown doesn't look clean or anything, like I love the brown and everything, but I just want it to be all one solid color, because some ends aren't black. I mean, some ends aren't brown, so it just looks, it's starting to look a little bit weird. The color is starting to look a little bit weird to me. So yeah, I think it's definitely time to dye it back to black. So I'm going to be showing you guys, or taking you guys along with me through the process. So I'm going to be using the Revlon hair dye in obviously black. It's number 10. And I got 3 boxes, so I'm hoping it should be able to cover my whole head. Cross fingers, that's the intent, or the hope, that it will cover all the ends. But yeah, without further ado, let's get my hair dyed. Okay, so this box comes with gloves. I don't know if you can see it, but it's attached to the instruction sheet. I think all boxes of dye come with gloves. I'm not too sure. I don't really dye my hair often, but I actually picked these up from the dollar store. I didn't know it was Revlon until actually just now, and I picked this up like a week ago. Yeah, so if you want to dye your hair for the cheap, go to the dollar store, because I'm pretty sure in like Walmart or like Shoppers Drug Mart and all those places, this is probably like a good $8 to $9, where I spent only $4 on it. So save your coins. But yeah, I got this at the dollar store, 3 boxes, and comes with the instructions. It's pretty self-explanatory, pretty easy process, nothing special. I actually dyed my hair with I think, was it Revlon? It was one of those bigger name brands, I guess. And I didn't use bleach, so I actually did not use bleach to achieve this color. I should have recorded it, but I honestly forgot midway through, and I'm just like, I'm a little bit too late. But yeah, this color, and I'll show you the back before I dye it. This color was achieved without any bleach. So yeah, if you do like this color or want something similar, you don't have to bleach your hair to do so. Just get a regular box dye and you are good to go. So anyways, I have my gloves all set. Make sure to wear a t-shirt that you don't like or you don't care for, or a black t-shirt, because it's going to stain. Okay, so step number 1 is to have the developer, the cream developer, and the color. And I just put the color inside the developer. And I'm gonna do that for all 3 bottles. And then I'm just gonna shake, 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 shake. I totally forgot, it makes more sense to section my hair into 4, so I'm just gonna go do that just to make the process a little bit more easier, and that way I have a little bit more control over the amount that goes on. Okay, my hair is now sectioned into 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now it's time to add the color. So you just want to make sure your hair is extremely saturated. As you can see, it's completely covered with the cream. And I'm just raking my fingers through the locks. Okay guys, I forgot to put Vaseline on my forehead so that it doesn't stain, because as you can see, look, I already stained my arm. So let's not forget that step. If you don't want to get stains on your forehead or any visible part of your body, put Vaseline at the perimeter of your hair, or not even your hair, but like your forehead and around it, to not get any stains on you guys, because completely forgot about that step. So this step is important. I'm not gonna bother putting a towel around me because like I'm already stained on my shoulders and everything, but like who cares? But yeah, I for sure don't want my forehead to be stained. I mean, yes, I can cover it up with makeup, but like that's if I even want to wear makeup for these next few days. So do not forget this step. But anyways, I'm gonna do, so I did this side already, and I just put it up in a bun. I'm gonna do these two sides off camera, and then I'm gonna wash my hair and then show you guys the results after. So yeah, I will see you guys in a few moments. Alrighty guys, I am back. I am done washing my hair. I used the conditioners that came with the boxes. That's pretty much all I used. I do have some leftover stains on my fingernails, on my wrist. So obviously when dealing with black hair or black hair dye, you want to make sure you're covered so that you can prevent stains. You want to make sure that your perimeter is covered with Vaseline, and you know, the gloves and the towel on your neck. So don't be like me unless you don't care. But this is the result of my hair. This is how it turned out. What do you guys think? Is it all completely black? I don't know. I can't see the back, so I'm really hoping it turned out as black as it can be. But this is the back of my hair. This is the front. So I think I'm gonna do maybe like a side by side so you guys can see. It turned out really well. It covered everything from what I can tell. I'm loving it. This is what my hair is looking like, and I am back to black. Once you go black, you can never go back, and I think I'm gonna keep my hair black for the remainder of my journey. I don't know, I just feel like it gives it like such a clean look and unison look. That's just my opinion. So this lock I actually took out today because it had a hole pretty much this size. So I actually unloosed it. This is what my hair looks like unloosed. And I just twisted it back, but I'm thinking, because obviously like how it's just like opening up again. So I am just going to have to like just re-braid this lock and see where it goes from there, because it was just not cooperating for the whole nearly a year. It's just been, this one has been giving me problems. But honestly, the front of my hair is the straightest part, as you can tell. So I kind of figured the front of my hair would give me problems in general because of how much straighter it is compared to the rest of my hair. But anyways, this is what my hair looks like. I am loving the black. Let's do a 360. This is the back of it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching me dye my hair back to black. If you have any questions, definitely comment down below and ask them. If you want to see more lock videos, please let me know and I will be more than happy to do it. Just give me some ideas. I need some ideas, some motivation to actually film. So please let me know what you guys would like to see. I do have my 1 year journey, or not journey, but my 1 year update coming up in a month and a few days. So I'm not sure when I'm going to post this video, but my next video will most likely be my 1 year update and how I've enjoyed my locks so far. So yeah, thank you so much. I keep touching it because I have to stop touching my hair. But anyways, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.